Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. In today's video, I'm going to be going to Formula One in Las Vegas, and I'm so excited. This is the second year that we go, and I can't wait. Right now we're on our way to pick up our friends, and then from there we're going to take off. But we should be getting there around probably noon, and then we're going to have some lunch and walk around. And this year we actually got tickets to the event for all 3 days. So we're going to go to the 3 practices, qualifying, and then race day. So I'm really excited. Last year we only went to the practice and then it got canceled. As if you guys saw my video, you guys saw what happened. But yeah, I'm really excited for this year, and I'll update you guys as we go. To Paris. These are view. No view. Dirty windows, but the room is clean. And the most important part. Yeah. Don't forget the pink Whitneys. Cheers.
Cheers.
F1 round 2. Check. Ooh, love it. I love Leclerc. Woo! I love Lando. Woo! Yeah. Again? No. No, we're the same one. Damn, the carpet is so drunk right now. Cheers. We're on our way to practice. I'm so excited. We're exiting to Paris right now. We're gonna walk over. It should be pretty close. We have our little cut waters right here. And yeah, I'm really excited. Team McLaren. Already know. Lando better win. Actually sitting in the East Harmon zone, and I'm so excited. We thought we were sitting in the West, but turns out we're sitting in the East Harmon zone. These are our seats. That is insane. All the pits. And then there's a turn. I'm so happy. We got our drinks, and now we're gonna get some food. I think it's all complimentary. It said it on the ticket, so we're gonna find out right now. But how do you like your drink?
It's pretty good.
It's pretty damn good.
Really struggling with just the glaze of this front. They'll miss the here because the surface being so slick. 7,700 pounds.
Obviously have free practice sessions, and it's really honestly
brunch and mimosas. Yesterday was a lot of fun. We ended up going to the club and we came back really late. It was like, not really, it was like 3 a.m. But yeah, we had some sleep, woke up, got dressed, and now we're gonna have some brunch. I'm really excited for today. Today's qualifying, so tonight we're gonna go back at 10 p.m. for qualifying, so it's gonna be really chilly. Last night it was pretty cold, but it's definitely gonna be a lot colder tonight. And I'm excited. Came to the Venetian, but the line is so long, literally so long. This is the exit, but it wraps around. We made it, and Snoopy's here.
Let's go, let's go. Hey, welcome. We did it.
Go, run! Thank you so much. It is day 2. It is the 3rd practice and qualifying later on tonight. So excited. We're walking over. I have my cup water here. It's pretty chilly, but it's nothing crazy. We're getting there a little bit early to get some food, merch, and then watch the practice.
Obviously, P3 held earlier. That is a magnificent shot.
And with that, we're ready to bid you a good night on this day 2 of the 2nd annual Formula One.
Alex got the strongest drink on the menu. Cup of ice. To end the night, it is 12:50. We're about to have some good food. Good morning. Woo. Yeah. You're done? The whole thing? Race day!
Let's go!
Day 3, it's race day. Right now we're actually going to the Wynn. We're gonna go have some brunch at the buffet. And then after that we're gonna walk around, see a couple things, and then come back and get ready for the race. Wow, we just got to the Wynn with this Ferrari. it the top one? That's the one that Lewis wore in 2010.
Look at all the bug flatter on it and shit.
Just 200K, guys. Lando wore this suit. Smell it. Last day, it's Sunday. We're gonna go have some barbecue at Virgil's Barbecue. If you guys haven't had it in Vegas, it's so good. I recommend it. We're gonna go do that. We had a couple breakfast shots and yeah, we're gonna check out. It's about to be 11 and then we're gonna walk to the link, and then from there we're actually gonna go to the Sphere. Are you guys excited? Yeah, did you guys have a good trip? Yeah. Woo! And Lewis, you happy? You happy? Woo! Me too. And Carlos, woo! Ferrari, yeah!
My biomimetic design mimics your gestures, but I do not have the ability to move the lower half of my body.
then row 8, seat 8 through 11. Super steep. It looks crazy. Can't really tell, but the screen is everywhere. It's really steep though. Coming up the stairs is kind of scary, not gonna lie.